Hi, good morning. I'm Chetna and I'm a homemaker. Basically, I stay at home. I'm a housewife, but I'm very interested in doing do it yourself things. I've built a cloth stand out of empty protein boxes and stuff like that. But electronics was one thing which I wasn't very comfortable with. But there have been a very minor things that I've repaired myself at home, like a torch broken and it just needed a pin replacement and all that. But the DVD thing I couldn't figure.
I am Jairam. I am doing organic farming. I have come to experience this, unique concept of repair cafe. It's really very impressive. Very, it creates lots of great awareness. It is reviving the traditional way of living.
This kind of events like repair cafe, this kind of events, bring awareness into the people, into the society. It develops the culture of reusing and reducing the waste.
Used to get repaired everything, whether our shirt, whether your umbrella, whether your bag. So all these things, your trunks, suitcases. In the village, I've seen, so many people coming for repairing things. I was born from a village. In city also, when I came to study for studies, when I was student, we used to get lots of, things, repaired in our hostel.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಜನ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾರ 2 ವಾರ 3 ವಾರ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಅವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ವಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿತ್ತು.
Today I got my kids' toy laptop to get it fixed, and it was not fixed, but I'm happy that I came here and I got to know what is the problem.
ಅದೇ ಟೇಪ್ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸು DVDs ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ವಿಡಿಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೆಲವರು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರು.
यहाँ पर मुझे आके बहुत अच्छा लगा लोगों से मिलकर, और मुझे खुशी है कि मुझे भी अवसर मिले काम करने का, अच्छे जगह अच्छे लोगों से मुलाकात हुई।
So these people are not, they are professional, but they are not getting many opportunities. So this kind of workshops will provide them with a lot of opportunities to grow, and also it's help them help the society to get the things repaired.
It's really helpful for the younger generations who's coming up, to see this kind of opportunity to they could see how this old jeans or old mission reusing it. So there are people sitting and doing it for everyone. I think it's a great opportunity for anyone to come and be part of it. And we need like this events or markets like Opens Market. We need it in India a lot because we could reduce a lot of junk or waste material and make this world a better place. Cut